everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? So in today's video, I have a very interesting thing for you. I'm going to talk about makeup. I mean budget makeup. When I say budget makeup, it doesn't really necessarily have to be cheap quality and cheaper products. I think it has to be smart buying, like buying products that are budget friendly and pocket friendly, and also they are good. And today I will show you entire range of makeup starting from foundation to your lipstick to your makeup fixer within 2000 rupees. Yes, a few products that are budget friendly after discount or before discount, no matter what, and also the performance is actually very good. Why am I doing this video right now? Because there's a lot of sale going on Nykaa, Amazon and Myntra, I guess, and this video will help you. When your favorite makeup products are on sale and they are on your budget, I think that is the right time to buy it. I've created this makeup look using those products only. So let's get right into the video to find out what all are the products I have that will fit into your 2000 budget and how I created this makeup look. Before we start our makeup, we should always do our primer first. So for primer, I don't have any primer, but I have a setting spray instead. This one is from Swiss Beauty and you can apply it before and after makeup. So if you apply it before makeup, it will give you a nice flawless base. So this enriched with vitamin E and aloe vera. This retails for 249 rupees, but since it was on discount, I got it for 212 rupees, I guess. Yes, 212 rupees. So this makes it even better deal. This one can be used as a makeup fixer as well as a primer. So I'm going to shake it. And next comes foundation. So for foundation, I have with me here is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. Because one, it is budget friendly. Second, the most important thing is it is one of the best foundation I have come across. This gives you a very beautiful natural finish to your skin. If you are a beginner in makeup and you are looking for something really good, this is the right foundation for you. So this retails for 299 rupees, but you can definitely get your hand on this when it is 25 to 30% off, which makes it 250 or something. So great deal. This actually gives you a sheer to medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up. Next up for concealer, again I have with me is a Fit Me concealer, which is from Maybelline. Why I want to recommend you is because it doesn't really crease, it's very smooth, the formula is very nice and it gives you a very beautiful effect under your eyes. This one retails for 499 rupees, but with 25 to 30% off, you can get your hands on this when it is 350. This does not work only as a concealer, this works as a highlighter too. As you can see, my under eye is so highlighted. To set our base, we need a powder, and for that I have with me is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Compact. This one retails for 180 rupees and you can set your base with it without any problem. Just take your brush, take a tiny amount and dab it all over. For me, it's a go-to product and I have, as you can see, hit the pan in it. Set my eyebrows. I have a brow pencil with me which is from Miss Claire's. This is the waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 05 Creamy Chocolate. So you will get a pencil on one end and a spoolie on the other end. I really appreciate brow product with a spoolie on it because it makes the work really easy so that we don't have to go and find another spoolie to buff out the extra edges. So great point. This retails for 125 rupees, but with discount I got it for 100 rupees, which is amazing deal. This product has a beautiful creamy texture and set your brows for 4 to 5 hours. So my base makeup is done and I will move on to my eye makeup. For that I have with me is the eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. This basically retails for 599 rupees, but with the discount on you can get your hands on this for 399 rupees, which is a great deal. You can grab it with your eyes closed. So if you are a beginner and you want to buy only one eyeshadow, I would recommend this one because of the color payoff, formula and price range. This is a best product. I'm going to start with this shade over here, which will be my transition shade, and I will apply it all over my eyelid. Next, I will take this shade, this plum shade over here. This shimmer shade over here, I'll apply between the gaps over here. So it would look like it would give me a hollow effect. Oh. Next, I will use this shade to create a smoke liner effect. For eyeliner, I have with me is Magnet Eyes liquid eyeliner from Faces Canada. The retail price of this product is 249, but I got it for 187 rupees. And the thing about this product is the brush is actually very thin and the wand is quite long and it creates thin lines. As you can see, like I have drawn a lot for you. So yeah, that this is a smudge proof liner, which is great. Absolutely done with our eye makeup except for our lashes. So for that I have this mascara, which is from Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. This is one of the best, again one of the best mascaras that I have come across. Product retails for 310 rupees, but after discount it comes for 230, 40, something like that. So yeah, if you are a beginner or if you are looking for something budget friendly, then I would recommend this one because it is a beautiful formula. It works great on your lashes, give you a beautiful drama effect, and as I said, it's pocket friendly. I could not really find any good contour or bronzer that would fit into our budget. So I think, so we have this palette over here where you can really have your contour, really use it as a contour actually. So over here we have this shade and this shade. This is a dark shade, and if you don't want to play with dark shades, you can use it as a contour. Take the color and start with tiny amount and start with your hairline and start a very tiny. I think makeup can be used multiple ways. You don't have to use the contour as a contour only. You can use it as an eyeshadow or the eyeshadow in multiple ways. So as I said, you don't really need an additional contour because you have it all over here. You can do your eyebrow, you can do your contour, your nose contour, then your shadow. A lot of things can be done with this one. So I don't really want you to, go ahead and spend your, hard-earned money just to buy all the product just because everyone has to buy it. When you have a way. Finally, for lipstick, I don't think I should give you any particular recommendation because there are brands which has very affordable range of lipstick these days, and also the color payoff and the color range are really good. So but I have quite a few suggestions which I actually use and they're quite affordable. This one is from Faces Canada. This cost 187 rupees after discount. This is a beautiful berry and maroon mix shade. Rimmel London. This is not new, but this is still on discount. You can get your hands on this for this is a beautiful nude shade. This will cost you below 200. L18 Colourpop matte lipstick. So these are actually 100 rupees and you can get your hands on this while they are on discount at an even cheaper price like 85.90. So I have these two which are my favorite. One is beautiful dark chocolate shade and one is a very light pinkish sort of a shade. I could not really find any good blush that fits our budget. So you can use a lipstick as your blush. Take a very tiny amount though and nicely blend it. This lipstick from Faces Canada and the name of the shade is Royal Maroon. I forgot to mention highlighter because highlighter is something that is already here. This shade over here which I applied on my lids. I used it on my brows, a tiny amount of it. As you can see, it's giving me a beautiful light. And finally, I'm going to set my face with Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends if you like this video. And hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. See you next time.